This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. Like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. Man, it gives a false narrative to the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the entire market, well, except for healthcare, was red yesterday. And when the market is red, that means there are sell-offs. And I'm not talking about the illegal manipulation like you see in AMC and GME. I'm talking about real sell-offs. And a lot of people ask me, why do I think the market is selling off? Well, the bad actors are having liquidity issues, and they need cash. They need cash. They've been naked shorting for so long that their liquidity is running out. The banks who've been loaning them money don't have the funds available to loan them anymore, or don't even want to risk losing any more money at the hands of these bad actors who are shorting AMC and GME, so they can't get the money from the banks. So what do they have to do? They have to start selling off their long positions. And then you add to the fact of that earthquake in Japan that's causing a whole lot of issues. And then the plane crash. I mean, there's a lot of volatility over there. And what a lot of people don't know is Japan owns a majority of U.S. Treasury bonds. And I think China is number 2. Japan is number 1 and China is number 2. So when these companies have economic turmoils, it will be affected over here in the United States. But what do I think is great about this? The bad actors who are naked shorting AMC and GME, the margin calls had to be coming in. And these bad actors, they have relationships with the banks. So while you or I would have been margin called already, these guys are given multiple opportunities to try to get their margin requirements together. But I don't think the banks are going to be as patient as they were in the past couple of years. I believe these bad actors are going to have a few days, and then they will be forced to start closing out the AMC GME short positions because they won't be able to find the liquidity to maintain the positions. I mean, that's just my opinion. And I'm not trying to buy, hold, or sell AMC. I'm just telling you that based on everything I'm seeing, the banks are not going to lend these guys these high-risk loans anymore. It's too risky. And the entire market has exposed the fraud and corruption. Everybody knows what's going on. Nobody can say that they weren't aware. The SEC can't say they don't know. The DOJ can't say that they don't know. The FBI can't say they don't know. Everybody knows that these bad actors are naked shorting AMC and GME and robbing retail investors and pension funds. Anybody who says they are unaware of it is because they don't want to be aware of it. But like I said before, I believe the FBI and the DOJ, there are agents there who want to enforce the law, who want to bring these bad actors to justice. But they can't. And you know why they can't? Because their bosses are put in those positions by certain politicians, and these politicians have tied their hands. And the SEC, well, they've always been in cahoots with these bad actors. So there's nothing that they won't do that won't surprise me. The bottom line is this. When the liquidity runs out, and I believe it's going to run out soon, once again, I'm not here to buy, hold, or sell any stock. But when the liquidity runs out, TikTok hedgies. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think the market was red yesterday? Was it because the bad actors had to sell off their long positions, or was it the instability because of the earthquake and plane crash in Japan? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.